Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, TNYA just filed an 8K, and I am seeing a move that signals a shift in their manufacturing strategy. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is exiting a large manufacturing lease and moving towards a more flexible outsourcing model. So, Tenaya Therapeutics Incorporated, or Tenaya for those following along, has filed an 8K report. This is a notification of a significant event that shareholders should know about. In this case, the big news is about a lease termination. They are ending their lease for a big chunk of space, about 94,000 square feet, in Union City, California. This facility was their genetic medicines manufacturing center, which they had actually already stopped using or decommissioned back in 2025. The reason for shutting it down then was to cut costs. And it seems that decision has now led to this lease termination. Why are they able to close this down now? The company states they have enough existing inventory of their key drug candidates, Tennessee -201 and TN -401, to keep their ongoing clinical trials running. This leasing arrangement was originally set to end in July of 2031, but with this agreement, it will officially wrap up on the 31st of August of this year, 2026. To get out of this lease early, Tenaya is forfeiting a security deposit of $1.75 million and paying an additional termination fee of about $294,200. Beyond just closing the facility, Tenaya also mentioned they are keeping their internal expertise in process and assay development. What they plan to do next is transfer their AAV manufacturing process to a contract development and manufacturing organization, or CDMO. This move is a preparatory step for what they expect to be later stages of development, and potentially the commercial launch of TN -201 and TN -401. This shift to a CDMO model is pretty common in biotech. It allows companies to scale up production more flexibly without the massive overhead of owning and operating large manufacturing facilities. Think of it like moving from owning a factory to renting production time as needed. For context, Tenaya Therapeutics is a biotechnology company focused on developing new medicines. They are currently trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker TNYA. This move away from their own manufacturing center is a significant strategic decision. It indicates a focus on conserving capital and leveraging external expertise for production, which can be crucial for smaller companies navigating the expensive path to drug approval and commercialization. With a market cap around $171 million and a stock price fluctuating, these kinds of cost-saving measures and strategic realignments are vital for their path forward. Scroll B. Science and Jennifer Drimmer, Rokovich Scroll. The filing is signed off by Jennifer Drimmer Rokovich, who holds the positions of General Counsel and Secretary for Tenaya Therapeutics, Incorporated. This is a standard procedural step to confirm the company's official acknowledgement of this reported event. Looking at this development, Tenaya is making a pragmatic choice to streamline operations and manage costs. By exiting the lease and partnering with the CDMO, they are reducing their fixed expenses and gaining manufacturing flexibility. This is a sensible approach, especially in the capital intensive biotech industry where developing a drug from research to market success is a long and costly journey. The risk, of course, is relying on a third party for production, which needs careful oversight. However, the benefit of freeing up capital for R&D and clinical trials is substantial. What I am actually looking for is how efficiently they manage this transition to the CDMO and if it positively impacts their cash burn rate in future filings. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe and join our Discord community in the description.